To change the spark plug, you have to remove the gas tank. Most all motorcycle spark plugs are below the gas tank. And I haven't seen any videos on taking the gas tank off and some of that. So I'm going to provide a video on taking the gas tank off of this WR250R and replacing the spark plug. I've already got all of the skins off on the front sides, left and right, and the seat. So let's get going, and hope you enjoy the video. Step 1, we start here after taking the front, left, and right skins off the bike. Remove the 3 screws and washers on the gas tank. Step 2, move the gas tank off the top of the engine. There is a gas line and a wire connected to the bottom of the gas tank. No need to disconnect those to move it out of the way. Step 3, you can see the spark plug wire and coil. Disconnect the spark plug wire from the coil, push the tab on the wire connector and slide it off. Step 4, pulling the coil off the spark plug can be very difficult, so use a good technique shown here. This is normal speed. From the left side of the bike with the right hand, hook the connector with your index finger, thumb on the opposite side of the coil, then twist back and forth while pulling. Here's the coil spark plug boot. Step 5, blow out any dirt in the spark plug cavity if needed. Unscrew the spark plug and remove using a 16mm or 5/8 inch spark plug socket. Step 6, install the new spark plug. Hand tighten as far as possible, then seat the spark plug with a socket by tightening it 30 to 45 degrees. Step 7, apply a small amount of dielectric grease on the outside and inside of the nipple of the spark plug coil. This creates a moisture barrier to the plug. Step 8, install coil and push down on it with your thumb. You will hear and feel a click when the coil connects to the spark plug. Step 9, install the coil wire on the coil. I put an electrical contact cleaner on the wire connector. It slides right onto the coil. Step 10, lay the tank back in place and make sure the bike will start and run after the spark plug work. Success! It starts. Step 11, now reinstall the gas tank and skins. That's how you install the spark plug. Everything was pretty easy except for getting the spark plug boot off of the spark plug. I ended up having to wrap my index finger around the connector, put my thumb behind it, and work it like that while pulling at the same time, and I could feel it start to slowly release, and it released fine. So we're able to get the boot off the spark plug, replace the spark plug. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.